Good morning again. This is another easy, simple one we're going to do. The old winding road thing. Winding road, yeah. So it's winding round, it's there, and it's coming round here and back. Oh, there we are. So we'll bring it in some grass on one side. Now let's try and keep things clean, no going over. We can use as raw sienna. We want to get it a bit dark without getting too dirty. Just to add a little bit of raw sienna or yellow ochre to your light green. Maybe the one what you add a little bit of cad yellow to it. Okay, and then we'll bring in a sweep of grass to this area here. There, and just over on this side here, eh? And there's your winding road. We put a sky in with a little bit of we use a bit of ultra plus just a touch of cobalt, eh? And then I'll tell you what, let's add a little bit of light red to that. Or let's have a dark cloud for a change. Just a minute, let's get another bit. We'll have a dark cloud, which they do, don't we, in the lakes more than often. And then, if you bring you a little bit more of your cobalt blue into it, it'll push it up and out that way a bit. Like that. Let's bring in a light sky. A touch of neat cobalt. It's a dull sky, isn't it? Only one patch of white there and there. Well, yeah. Okay, that won't matter. There we are. Now dry her off. Next we'll just add a few soil lines, is it we call them, just underneath here, coming round from say here. And this is a bit big, yeah, there. Bit there, yeah. Okay, that will do. Just get a little bit of raw sienna. I've got some in here. Now, I won't over paint because it's a very loose painting, loose as we can get it. A few trees, keep clean, a bit of blue, a bit of yellow, could have cad yellow but keep it clean, no dirty colours. Right. Where shall we be now? Oh, coming over to the dark patches here. Wait a minute. Bit of burnt umber. See what we can make. bit more umber in the middle. Oh, a little bit of yellow in the middle, it always looks nice. Okay. A bit of burnt umber with this here. That's it. And that's another one. There. There we are. Oh, thanks for looking in, everybody. I've just done a couple this morning in a very, very loose fashion, with no drawing, just banging it on. But just to get out into the countryside and paint loose is, I think it's a nice way to be. I wish I could at the present time not get to do that, but I would love to. I used to do a lot at one time. Oh, thanks for looking in anyway. Thank you.